Hey everyone, Tridiv here from TGT and welcome to another video. The Flipkart Apple Day sales are here. It starts from 21st and it ends on 22nd of March, and we have very good discounts on different kind of Apple iPhones. First in the lineup, we have the iPhone 11 and it is priced at 47,000 rupees. As you can see here, the 64GB variant is priced at 47,000 rupees, and which is the last year model, and this is the iPhone to get this year if you are planning to buy one. The 128GB variant is available as well for 54,000 rupees, and many color variants are available here as well. Then in the lineup we have the iPhone XR. Although this is older device, but this is priced at 39,000 rupees, the 64GB variant, and many color options are available and as well. iPhone XR is a powerful device with a superb battery life. So if you are planning to buy an iPhone for the first time, then iPhone XR could be a very good option for you. The 64GB variant is priced at 38,000 and the 128GB variant is priced at 43,999, that is the 44,000 here, and here also many other color options are available. Next in the lineup we have the new iPhone SE or the iPhone SE second generation, and this one is priced at 30,000 rupees. Mind it, this phone was launched last year around June, and the launch price here in India was 43,000 rupees, and now this is selling for 30,000 rupees. So this is really a steal deal. The processor is the last year A13 processor, and this is a power packed device, and if you are looking for a entry-level device, this is the phone for you. Just only one thing that you will miss, this is the battery life. The battery life is a bit controversial in this device, but everything else is superb. The 128GB variant is priced at 35,000 rupees, and the 256GB variant is priced at 45,000 rupees. Next we have the latest models. This one is the iPhone 12 mini, and this is the device I use every day, and I really like this cute little powerful device. This one is priced at 63,900 rupees, and though it includes the 6,000 rupees HDFC Bank credit card or debit card discount offer, the actual price is 70,000, that is the 69,900, and if you are a HDFC Bank customer, then you will get a 6,000 rupees instant discount here. The price is very good. This is the latest model, so you can definitely buy this one if you are looking for a nice, cute and handy device. Then we have the Pro models. The 12 Pro, it is priced at 1,14,900 rupees, and here also the 5,000 rupees HDFC card discount is included. Without the discount is 1,20,000 rupees, 1,20,000 rupees, and there is no discount apart from that card discount. Then the Pro Max model is also there. It is priced at 1,24,900, around the 1,25,000 rupees. And then we have the value for money iPhone 12, which is the phone of the year so far. This is priced at 80,000 rupees, but you will get the 6,000 rupees HDFC card discount, which is a superb deal I think for the latest device. The 64GB variant is priced at 80,000 rupees, and then we have the 128GB variant. This is priced at 85,000 rupees, and the 256GB variant is priced at 95,000 rupees. Almost all the color options are also available, and then you will get the 6,000 rupees HDFC card discount over and above of this. And the last iPhone here we have is the iPhone 11 Pro. This is the last year Pro model and is priced at 80,000 rupees. The original price was actually 1,06,600 rupees. So this is a heavy discount, almost 26,000 rupees discount we are getting here. And this is also a very capable device. So if you are planning to buy a Pro device but you cannot spend over 1 lakh rupees, you can go for this option as well. The gold and the midnight green color variant are available here. So if you are planning to buy the Pro model of the last year, you can definitely buy this at this price, because this device is going to be supported for at least 4 more years down the line. For the 11 Pro models, the 64GB variant is priced at 80,000 rupees. Then we have the 256GB variant, which is priced at 1 lakh rupees, and then we have the 512GB variant, which is priced at 1,18,000 rupees. And these are the iPhones that Flipkart is offering on the Flipkart Apple Days. But if you are planning to buy iMac, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, other accessories, and even the HomePod or any other mobile accessories, those are available as well. So do check all the deals there. There are very good deals available right now, and I think if you are planning to buy iPhone 11, this is the best time to buy the iPhone 11. Go for it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Do subscribe to DGT and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.